Good day, my name is Mark Malore. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a number of clients in financial difficulty in Cathedral City. So I thought it helpful to go over some of the distinctions between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy for those folks in Cathedral City that are facing some of these dilemmas in this economic turmoil that we're in. The first distinction I want to make between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 is to basically ask the difference, what's the difference? The first distinction that I want to make for you is that Chapter 7 discharges all your debt, whereas a Chapter 13 is a repayment of the debt or a portion of that debt to the creditors. And as a result, you're repaying, whether that's 10 cents on the dollar or 90 cents on the dollar, you're repaying a portion of that debt back to the people that you owe. Another distinction is that in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you're usually able to get a discharge within 90 to 120 days from the date of filing. In a Chapter 13, you're on that repayment program with a trustee over a 3 to 5 year period at the 90 cents or 50 cents or whatever the repayment plan is that you're under. So it takes much longer to get the discharge from your creditors, and you're repaying a portion of that debt for a long period of time. And another distinction I think worthy of note here is that in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you cannot lien strip on your property. I know a number of people have heard that term lien strip, so what do I mean by that? This is an effect we have here in the Inland Empire, especially in California, Southern California, where property values have gone down by 50% and we've got a house with a first and a second on the property. If you're facing financial difficulties and you're wanting to remove the second from your property, you can do so, but you can only do so by filing a Chapter 13. I've got a number of clients that try to do the bankruptcy on their own or used a paralegal at $500 or had their friend at the real estate office help them file. And unfortunately, to their demise, after coming in to see me and asking me how we lien strip at that point, it cannot be done. You've got to file a Chapter 13 and be in a repayment program and repay a portion of that debt for a period of time before you can strip the second from the home. Once you're done and the debt's discharged, then the lien is stripped from your home and you have immediate injection of equity back into your home. So if those are some of the issues you're facing, or you have some other concerns about your financial circumstances you want to go over, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to sit down and go over those with you.